Hello everyone, can you hear my voice? Okay, it's a pleasure to meet you again. Can you hear my voice? If you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment room. Okay, can you hear my voice? If you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment room. Okay, I am very excited to communicate with you every time. So, every friend, can you hear my voice? If you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment room. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, if you can hear me, please type 1. Okay, so hello everybody. Okay, so I'm very excited to communicate with you every time. Hello. Okay, so hello buddies. Okay, can you hear my voice? Okay, so let's start. Hello. Okay, thank you. Welcome, Erin. Hello. Okay, so let's start. Hello, buddies. Welcome to our lab preparation webinar today. Do you need to take CCIE Lab this year? If yes, please don't miss the chance to know about the 2023 one-stop lab resource as well as the certification policy. Also, we will offer unbeatable discount on a variety of products. Join us and get access to amazing offers and deals that you won't find anywhere. Also, you can shop now and save big with live sale. Okay, so now let's watch your stream and let me tell you more about it. I'm SPOTO CCIE tutor and welcome to join me today. Everyone is welcome to enter our live broadcast room. So welcome every friends. Hello. So don't forget to like and follow our social media like Facebook and YouTube for more update. Okay, hello everyone. So welcome every friends. If you are the first time to come to my live stream, hope you can enjoy the time. Okay, so welcome every friends. So, do you know CCIE certification? Anybody knows can also comment below. I think many of our friends must know the CCIE certification, which is the expert level of Cisco system. So, today we will talk about the CCIE Overview, detailed CCIE Lab preparation resource. Also, I will introduce CCIE Package as well as my tips to help you pass the CCIE exam. Okay, welcome. Hello. Welcome every friends. Hello. Okay. So we will introduce CCIE service package. So also we will communicate some commonly questions. So today's webinar is worth $199. Now you can learn it free. Yes, it's free, but exclusive for SPOTO learners. So you can share to your friends for more information. Hello, every friends. Okay, so let's start. This is my I number. I belong to SPOTO Gold Instructor. I'm proficient in Cisco and Huawei datacom technology, 5 years of experience in after-sales technical support from manufacturer, and 2 years of project management experience. So, in my CCIE journey, I passed the exam in just 2 months. So, if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you can follow me. Okay, hello. Okay, let's move to the CCIE overview. Before the introduction, I would like to let you see our CCIE holders' latest past report. Wow, 2,300 plus IE from SPOTO. So the success story you can repeat. Yesterday, SPOTO just passed 3 CCIE students. It's about EIlib and security CCIE expert. So, do you want to be CCIE expert like them? Okay, if you want to, let's get CCIE certified 2023 before Cisco roadmap change. Okay, so I will make brief introduction of CCIE first. CCIE is one of the most prestigious networking certifications in the world issued by Cisco, and it is meant to identify top network engineering experts. So with CCIE, you can take your place as a technical leader. Technology areas include enterprise infrastructure, data center, our service provider, enterprise wireless, security, and collaboration. So, which CCIE track do you pursue? You can leave your comment below. Okay, so if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you should grab today's chance before the Cisco changed the question. Okay, so which CCIE do you pursue? You can leave your comment below. Enterprise infrastructure, security, or service provider. So which CCIE track do you pursue? You can leave your comment below. Okay, Erin, other friends, which CCIE track do you interested in? You can leave your comment below. Maybe, in my opinion, I think many of our friends want to get EI track because EI is very popular in current market. So I will introduce this part in detail. But some friends may be interested in security or collaboration. So if you want to achieve this certification, this track, you must have the foundation of the routing and switching. Okay, so let's introduce it in detail. So don't hesitate to give our webinar a thumb up. Join the study group and stay tuned to get huge gift, free EIlib demo during the live webinar. CCIE is widely considered the industry highest level IT certification program. So, however, do you know the CCIE theory? Let's see the CCIE EIlib theory in USA 2022 for an example. The average CCIE theory in the USA is $150,250 per year. And you can see from the red chart, there are huge gaps for theory between certified and non-certified. People with CCIE certified earns almost 20% than the non-certified. So you can get the idea of why CCIE is so popular. But the problem is how to get it right. It is a difficult exam by yourself, right? So don't worry, I will help you to pass the CCIE exam in one time. Okay. So the entry-level job titles in the industry for a Cisco certified Internet Network expert include network engineer, network architect, and so on. The mid and senior level designation for CCIE certified professionals include Cisco consultant, senior security engineer, and so on. According to pay scale, the salary for different job titles varies based on years of experience. Countries maybe, but it can be ensured that there are huge potentials for CCIE certification holders and great salary enhancement for CCIE networking professionals. So CCIE has provided us with many opportunities for employment and job hopping to earn high salaries. So if you have the energy, I highly encourage you to hurry up and learn CCIE. Okay. So now let's go to the next part, how to obtain the CCIE certificate. you need to pass one core exam and one practical lab exam. Let's move to the CCIE EI exam overview first. To get CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure certified, you have to pass two exams. One is the CCIE EI written exam. This exam tests a candidate knowledge of implementing core enterprise network technologies, including virtualization, infrastructure, network assurance, security, and automation. And after passing the written test, you can take the second module test, and the second is the CCIE EI hands-on lab exam, covering enterprise networks through the entire network lifecycle, from designing and deploying to operating and optimizing. Okay, so you can, if you have any problem, you can leave your question in the comment room. One lab changes in June for EI. One will workbook be ready to pass lab with SPOTO. Okay, this part we will introduce in detail. But in my opinion, we evaluate the EI maybe change maybe change between February to July. So we will introduce this part. Okay. We will introduce this part later, and after the lab changes, we may need 3 months to prepare, but the situation is not clear. Because we need to judge the situation. Okay, so let's me continue. Okay, let's move the lab part. As you know that routing and switching has changed to CCIE EIlib. From this change, it can be seen that the current IT industry requirement for network engineers are no longer just routing and switching, but also add SDN. You can see this part is about SDN and programming. So, and the positioning requirement for network engineers have become higher. So, instead of having these 3 modules as the old CCIE route and switch did, the new exam has 2 modules, mainly divided into design and DOO. DO includes deployment, operation, and maintenance optimization. This exam is 8 hours total, with the first is 8 hours, with the first being 3 hours. And the second being 5 hours. Okay, service provider has changed for a while. Do you have new? Okay, this if you want to ask the service provider, okay, please you can contact our admin to get more information. Okay, so let me continue. Okay, so candidate will be tested on varying technologies and solutions listed in the exam topics throughout both modules. While both modules independent from each other, there is a progressive storyline that will be built upon throughout the entire 8 hours lab practical exam. Okay, so the first module is a design module. It is very similar to our written test with a total of 39 questions, including a welcome question and ending question. So in total, you need to answer 37 questions. You won't be doing any configuration in this module. This is going to be things like jack and drop, multiple choice, single choice, drop-down selections. So after completing the design module, you will move on to the second module, deploy, operate, and optimize, which we call the DOO module for short. Okay, you will get a lab topology framework and requirement in advance, and then it is up to you construct how this network is built and optimized. The exam is only 5 hours, which is also the reason why many students failed. Candidate will have visibility on all questions within this module. Point values associated to each item are displayed within this module. To pass the exam, candidates need to score higher than the aggregated pass score of both modules and score higher than the minimum score set on each of the modules individually. So, alright, we have talked loads about CCIE Lab Exam Overview. Now, let's go deep into the key point today. Cisco CCIE Lab Preparation Results 2023. So today we mainly share with you the current status of CCIE. CCIE Enterprise is stable now. Yeah, it's stable now. It's stable, and also our students just passed CCIE EIlib. Welcome friends. Hello, welcome. Yeah. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can leave your comment. We will reply for you. Okay, so today we mainly share with you the current status of CCIE. Cisco has released a certification roadmaps. Cisco usually just make public announcement when the certification exams are updated. We don't know if that announcement is ahead of time, but they are very clear and public here. So this is when Cisco released the blueprint for the upcoming new exam update exam. If you want to check out this roadmap, you will see the different certification checks are color-coded. If they are orange, it means Cisco is reviewing the exam for that quarter. If it's blue, that's when Cisco is announcing the change to blueprint for that exam. If the certification check is green, it means we are looking at a quarter like Cisco will now release this brand new exam. So you can see it's about 2022. Okay, we can take EIlib for example. You can see in 2023 January, you can see security and enterprise its review certification exam, and also in February, from February to April, the EIlib is announced the blueprint changes. So it will change maybe in May or July, security or enterprise. So it's indicating that the CCIE framework will be adjusted in 2023, and EI may be adjusted from February to June. So if you want to take the CCIE certificate, now is the best time. You need to take the last chance. Okay. Hello, every friends. Yeah, welcome to our webinar. Okay, so if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you mustn't miss the chance, because maybe we evaluate the July many CCIE check will change. Okay, so I think every friend ought to get CCIE certification, but getting a certification takes a lot of dedication, long hours, sacrifice, and study preparation. So I plan your CCIE certification journey for you like project management. So step 1, initiation. You must make a list of the reasons why you want to get certified, such as advance career, increase salary, and gain credibility in the industry, and so on. So, step 2, you must make an action item roadmap for exam topics when you create your CCIE certification plan. Step 3, enforce yourself to set deadline for completing set a deadline for completing the CCIE certification, and then work towards the milestones throughout the program. Step 4. You should measure the progress of CCIE goals and make timely adjustment. Last, continuously consolidate CCIE knowledge, obtain CCIE certification, and achieve the goals. So, you can see this is the latest EIlib Topology, which is mainly configured from routing and switching, SDN, and programming. Among them, this module is mainly the routing and the switching part, which first realizes the whole network communication, and this module mainly examines the SDA and SD1 technologies. Many manages and configures the equipment of the local area network and wide area network in a unified manner, and that part is our programming. So, for the EIlib exam, we recommend some suitable learning material to help you pass the CCIE exam at one time. For routing and switching part first, you can read 31 days before your CCNP and CCIE Enterprise Core exam. Also, you can use CCIE Route and Switch V5.0 official certificate guide. Okay. Also, last, you can read lab FAQs and examiners' added mistakes. Also, this part we have prepared for you. So, if you want to achieve CCIE EIlib, you can use this material. Also, for SDA and SD1 part, you need to master the following knowledge points, such as SDA deployment, Lisp, segmentation, multi-site, automation, and assurance, OMP, and SD1 policy, route, and AAR. So this about our SDA and SD1 material. Okay, so you can use it. So EIlib. So this document and the videos are very helpful for you to prepare for the EIlib exam. So if you need it, you can contact. If you need this material about routing and switching or SDA and SD1, you can contact admin to learn more. Okay, so the current CCIE number is 60,890 and so. So if you believe us, SPOTO can help you become the next CCIE expert. And also, we also hope you to achieve the CCIE certification. So CCIE certification is valid for 3 years. So if you want to recertify, you should pay attention to this situation. Part 1 is about certification cycle. For example, here's an example of how the recertification cycle works. If you certified in February 1st, 2019, its expiration in February 1st, 2022. If you recertified in November 1st, 2019, its expiration in November 1st, 2022, and so on. So expert level certifications are now valid for 3 years. It's valid for 3 years. The suspend status no longer exists. All other recertification requirements apply. So, okay, good morning. Okay, so you should only practice the new no, if the Cisco change the question, maybe you need to practice the old and the new question at the same time, because Cisco will choose the version randomly. Okay, can you understand? Okay, so if you want to achieve CCIE certification, in my opinion, I advise you to grab the last chance before the 2023 Cisco change question. Because we need some time to prepare the new question solution also. Okay, so that's all. Also, if you have any other problem, you can also leave your comment below. Okay, so part 2 is about the certification requirement. If you want to read certification, you must pass the CCDE written exam or pass any one expert level, lab or practical exam, or pass any 3 separate professional concentration exam, or you can pass one technological exam and pass any one professional concentration exam, or you can pass any 2 technological exams. Okay. So that's about CCIE certification policy. But there are always individual students who fail the exam. Why? So next, we will focus on the analysis of such student questions. The common reason for students to fail are, first, not practicing according to a plan. The tutor will arrange the study plan for the students, but the candidate didn't invest time. They didn't invest time in study according to the plan made by the instructor, which affects the quality of each stage of EIlib. Second, they unsynchronized exam time. Candidates synchronize the tutor's lab exam arrangement near the exam time, resulting in tight exam preparation. Thirdly, candidates do not follow the SPOTO solution 100%, resulting in low test scores. Last, the examiner will edit the wrong point. The examiner destroys the configuration of the students, and the students fail to find the problem due to the weak ability of the students' troubleshoot. So dear friends, do you have this situation? Okay, so I think the above reason may be that some friends are more self-learning and less communication with their tutor. So we must communicate more with our tutor and follow our advice, because tutor will provide you with a lot of support. First, tutor will aid mistakes for candidates and improving your troubleshooting ability. Second, tutor will sort out the examiner's error point to provide students with learning. Last, tutor will regularly follow up candidate practice, check rate configuration, and practice screen. So the tutor support for you is not only this. If you want to know more, you can leave a message to us. So you can trust SPOTO. We will help you to become CCIE expert. My certification will expire. Okay, CCIE written. Okay, so I can continue for a long time. Okay, which CCIE track do you want? Which CCIE track do you want to achieve? Okay. Okay, so you can leave your comment. So I want to ask you, which CCIE track do you like to achieve this certification? Okay. So we have talked lots about EI exam topics and techniques on preparing for CCIE Lab. I think you must wonder how to pass the CCIE Lab exam in less time. So Also, if you want to boost salary, it is the best time to choose the SPOTO CCIE Lab Package, which can help you pass in 3 months. Now let me tell you the passing secret with SPOTO step by step and our EIlib service package. Also, all IT products are on huge sales. First, EIlib has 2 modules, including design and DOO. Design and DOO. Wait a moment. Okay, so EI has 2 modules. It's about design and DOO. Design is very simple for our students because we have complete information to provide students. This part won't focus on the introduction. We mainly look at the DOO module. SPOTO has very clear practice standards for students. For example, it is recommended to complete DOO with 3.5 hours before recommending students to take the exam. For example, routing and switching each need to be complete within 1.5 hours. Many students find it strange that DOO has 5 hours. Why are the requirements so high? Because candidates may experience various failures in DOO due to novelness, unfamiliar test environment, and so on, which may lead to various failures in DOO, and students need to spend a lot of time to troubleshoot failures. So you can follow our standards strictly, and I will give you an effective test preparation experience. Secondly, the REC practice environment we provide for everyone is very sufficient. You can flexibly arrange your spare time to practice through the cloud. The most important thing is that our practice environment is basically the same as the examination room, so don't worry about your practical difficulties. We have already made study arrangement for you. Our practice environment will separate routing and switching and SDN programming, and finally we'll have a fusion experiment. Let's list. So what you see is our routing and switching practice environment. Everyone will get a unique routing and switching REC practice permission, and when you complete routing and switching practice, we will help you verify your overall practice quality. I'll also tell you where there are deficiencies to improve. And this is our SDN REC. This is our SDN REC practice interface. This is a complete practice environment including routing and switching and SDN, which is 99 identical to a test room. You can play your own practice time and adapt to the test room environment for practice in advance. And when you meet the exam standards, we will help review your practice process to ensure the quality of your practice. The overall REC practice environment is very convenient, and the main environment is almost the same as the test room. So here I would like to briefly introduce our service process and what you can get if you choose our CCIE Lab training course. First, we will provide one-to-one service at a VIP level. Also, we will distribute EIlib solutions, all study material that are the same as the exam content. Also, we will provide you REC exercise. Also, if you encounter any problem or difficulties during the practice, we will help you solve them through the remote software. Also, we will provide the tutorial videos explaining workbooks and solutions, and it also shows you how to configure it section by section. We will also arrange for you to test the quality of practice at each stage to confirm that whether you meet test standards. Last, we will arrange the sprint plan for you, matters needing attention in the exam, and so on. We will make sure you pass the CCIE in one pass in the exam. So here is the CCIE Lab Service package you can take a look at. We provide 3 months service time, thus you will have enough time to practice. Also, we will provide the REC practice environment, also the service for you, so you will have enough time to practice. Also, you can also follow your own timetable. It is very flexible. Also, this is our study plan for every student to pass the EIlib exam at one time. As the CCIE Lab has 2 modules, we deliver lab service and learning materials in stage. The first stage, we will send routing and switching part and REC practice. The learning cycle is 3 to 4 weeks. Through routing and switching REC practice, no need to consume local computers. Practice anytime, anywhere. If you have completed the first stage, we will verify the quality of your practice for you, and after confirming that you meet test standards, you will enter the SDN stage. For 2, we will send the SDA and SD1 solution and SDN practice REC permissions, and then check each candidate practice process. Programming is the same, so the practice environment is perfect for everyone to learn. The third stage, we will send the programming. This module is not difficult. Basically, you just need to remember the Python. You just need to recite the programming content and learn practice it. Okay, and last step is about design. Design material will be sent out 1 week before the exam. Of course, we will flexibly adjust the study plan according to characteristics of each student. Some students have strong learning ability and can also take the exam in just 1.5 months and pass the exam in one time. Okay, so here are my preparation tips for every student. You must familiarize yourself with and understand the lab topology requirement and understand the provisioning environment for each device. Second, practice the lab content in modules and analyze the routing data clearly. Also, you need to identify weak points through modules exercise, summarize the fault and problems you encounter, and share your troubleshooting ideas with your tutors. Also, you need to practice the lab version without referring the solution to improve your proficiency and accuracy. Last, contact tutors for periodic quality inspection to verify your own shortcomings and consolidate them. Communicate with the tutor more and be able to follow the tutor's test preparation suggestions. So these are my exchanging experience with our CCIE students. I hope it will help you to pass the exam. Okay. Also, also it's about February, so it's in February. So you should go ahead and improve yourself. Many lab center reopen now, so you can book now and get CCIE before 2023. Because it's the limited seat available. So and most of you may think it's very difficult to pass CCIE exam, and it may take 3 or 5 years to get CCIE certified. But now I'm going to tell you, yes, indeed, it's very difficult. But 3 or 5 years? No, if you choose SPOTO, we can help you pass CCIE exam within 3 months. We not only have high pass rate on a daily basis, but also offer remote. We will offer remote rec access and CCIE instructor technical support, which can help you fasten your CCIE journey well. So we will offer remote rec access and practice complete lab. So if you want to achieve CCIE check, you can follow our standards. Okay. In India, do you have security lab? Okay. Yeah, of course we have security lab. Okay. Is lab center in Hong Kong available at? If you want to know about Hong Kong, you can consultant in Cisco Center. Okay. Because it's about Brussels or Singapore and other lab centers. So if you want to know other lab centers, you can also contact our admin. Okay. But if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you may be prepared now, because you need to book the lab centers because the seat is limited. Okay. You can see here are some past reports in all checks. It's about EIlib February 16th, or security February 15th, or security February 13th, or security February 10th, or EIlib, or service provider, or EI. It's about EIlib. So you can see here are some past report in OREX. So if you want to pass CCIE service provider or security, wireless, or DC, SPOTO can also help you to pass the exam. Okay, so you need to grab the last chance, because we can't sure when the Cisco will change your question. But if you miss the chance, maybe you need to wait a long time. Okay. Also, there are real comments from CCIE students. You can see the solution is very exactly, and DOO exactly the same. Also, the question was the same, and the solution is stable. Okay, so solution is correct. So if you want to achieve certification, you can choose SPOTO. They speak highly of SPOTO service. Also, if you want to boost salary and build a brand new career, it is the best time to choose the SPOTO CCIE Lab Package, which can help you pass in 3 months. So in today's live sale, you can enjoy a lower price than usual. The original price is $2,000. $2,000. Now the CCIE EIlib service only need $1,400. You can save $600 per year. You can save $600. Also, so you can check link on the comment room in live chat section to enjoy my exclusive offer for everyone. And grab the offer before the CCIE Lab Change. So order now. It's really the lowest price. So friends who like learn should hurry up because this price won't be offered after 24 hours. It won't be offered after 24 hours. It will return to $2,000. So, also, if you want other CCIE check, you can also buy at a reasonable price. For a security or DC or service provider collaboration, it only need $1,500. Okay, the original price is $2,000, so you can save $500. Okay. So if you want to achieve certification, you must not miss today's chance because we just talked like the time to change because we just said that maybe the Cisco will change the question. Become in the second half of 2023. So if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you must grab the chance before the 2023 Cisco changes the maps. Okay, today is the best chance. Okay, so if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you mustn't miss today's chance. So let's continue. Okay, so this is the best price for 2023. Last chance to get IT exam demos at lowest price. So if you want to get other demos, you can join the group and ask admin for more information. Also, the most important thing is that if you order today in the live sale, you can get a lab exam guides on how to take CCIE exam step by steps, which are collected by CCIE experts based on candidate exam feedbacks as well as useful tips for exam useful tips for exam passing. Everyone should read it before taking the lab exam. Now this material is free for anyone who make the order today. So you should hurry up to book CCIE check. Which CCIE check? If you use our demos to fail, maybe you need to confirm with your friend. Whether the solution is correct or whether he has enough time to prepare the CCIE certification. Because many of students, they don't have enough time to prepare. So maybe you can contact for more information. Okay. Also, so we also have live sales. We also have live sales today on all IT certification. If you want to get any Cisco, AWS, or ISACA, or Microsoft CompTIA certification, also you shouldn't miss our best offer. So please join the group and contact our admin for best offer. It's about security, CompTIA, CISM, CISA, and so on. So maybe if you want to achieve achieve other IT certification, you can contact our admin for best offer. Also, many people will ask these questions. Let me answer one by one. The first, while there are many questions on CCNA and CCNP, CCNP exam changes frequently, so the exam questions for CCNA and CCNP are more and more than before, ensure to cover all the questions, but SPOTO service and tutor will help you to pass the CCNA and CCNP pass in first try. Second, can you pass the IT exam with question and answers only? Yes, all terms are the same as the real exam questions and answers. SPOTO practice test 100% cover the real exam. So if you practice our questions bank, you will pass the exam successfully. Also, how can you know my product is the latest? All the products are updated fully, and our CCNA practice test are the latest on remote server. If there is an update on DEMS, our service will inform you by email, and the server will also warn you when your practice DEMS. Also, what's the DEM format? The DEM exam format is VCE. It is very similar to real exam format. You can practice the written exams on remote server. Okay, so can you buy now and start a service later? Of course, you can start a service when you need it. Okay, so let's continue. There are easy steps to get certified. First, you should select your certification. Second, you should pay the fee. Thirdly, you should connect with us. The fourth, exam scheduling. Last, you should pass the exam. So get certified with us today. Okay, so today is all the content we show to you, including the CCIE. The CCIE, including the Cisco roadmaps. So today is all the content we share with you, including CCIE, Cisco's certified roadmaps. Also, it's also CCIE based offer for everyone, and also it's about CCIE based offer for you and other CCIE checks. Service provider, DC also security, also and other IT certification, CompTIA, CCNA, CCNP, and PMP. Or you can see this. And the others cloud computing certification. CompTIA Security Plus, CISM, CISA. So I hope today's webinar will help you, and also I will hope you to seize today's. You mustn't miss today's opportunity. So you should act sooner and create more opportunities for your career development. So if you have any problems, you can also leave your comment below. Okay, so do you have any problems? If you have any other problems, you can also leave your comment below. Okay, so if you have no further questions, today's webinar is coming to an end. I hope my explanation on CCIE Lab preparation results for 2023 can help you to know why to choose SPOTO and why we can help you to pass CCIE Lab fast. Also, we have many highest paying IT certification you can get in 2023. So if you want to get more IT certification offer, you can contact our admin. So don't forget to follow me and see you next time. So bye-bye. Bye.